Have you ever felt suddenly overwhelmed, emotional, or even anxious without a clear reason? One moment you feel completely fine, and the next you're irritated, stressed, or even on the verge of tears. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Mood swings during menopause are very real, and for many women, they can feel confusing and even scary. You might start wondering, why am I feeling like this? Or, is something wrong with me? But here's the truth. There's nothing wrong with you. Your body is going through hormonal changes that directly affect your brain, your emotions, and your overall mental well-being. In this video, we're going to explore why menopause causes mood swings, anxiety, and emotional changes. And more importantly, what you can do to feel more balanced, calm, and in control again. Let's start with what's happening inside your body. During menopause, estrogen levels drop significantly. And while estrogen is often associated with physical changes, it also plays a major role in regulating mood. Estrogen affects important brain chemicals like serotonin and dopamine. These are the chemicals that help you feel happy, calm, and emotionally stable. When estrogen levels drop, these chemicals can become unbalanced. That's why you may feel more anxious, irritable, or emotionally sensitive than usual. Another factor is sleep disruption. Many women experience poor sleep during menopause due to night sweats or insomnia. And lack of sleep has a direct impact on your mood. When you're tired, your brain becomes more reactive, making it harder to stay calm and positive. Stress also plays a major role. During menopause, your body becomes more sensitive to stress, and your ability to cope with it may decrease. This can make everyday situations feel more overwhelming than they used to. And then there's the emotional side of this life stage. Menopause often happens during a time when women are already dealing with multiple life changes, family responsibilities, career pressure, or even personal transitions. All of this combined can intensify emotional reactions. But here's the good news. You can manage these mood swings and feel more like yourself again. Let's talk about how. Number 1, understand and accept what's happening. This might sound simple, but it's powerful. When you understand that your emotions are influenced by hormonal changes, it becomes easier to manage them. Instead of blaming yourself, you can approach your feelings with awareness and compassion. Number 2, prioritize quality sleep. Since sleep has such a strong impact on mood, improving your sleep can make a big difference. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, avoid screens before bed, and keep your sleeping environment cool and comfortable. Even improving your sleep slightly can help stabilize your emotions. Number 3, manage stress daily. You don't need hours of meditation to feel better. Simple practices like deep breathing, taking short breaks, or spending time in nature can calm your nervous system. Even 5 to 10 minutes of quiet time each day can reduce anxiety and improve your mood. It's about consistency, not perfection. Number 4, move your body. Exercise is one of the most effective ways to improve your mood naturally. Physical activity releases endorphins, which are known as feel-good hormones. You don't need intense workouts. Even a walk, light yoga, or stretching can help you feel calmer and more balanced. Number 5, watch your diet. What you eat can affect how you feel emotionally. Try to reduce caffeine, sugar, and processed foods, as they can increase anxiety and mood swings. Instead, focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. These support brain health and help stabilize your mood. Number 6, stay connected. Talking to someone you trust can make a big difference. Whether it's a friend, family member, or support group, sharing your feelings can help you feel less alone. Remember, many women are going through the same experience. You don't have to deal with it by yourself. Number 7, consider professional support if needed. If your mood swings or anxiety feel overwhelming, it's okay to seek help. A healthcare professional can guide you with the right support, whether it's therapy, lifestyle changes, or other treatments. There's no shame in asking for help. It's a sign of strength. It's also important to give yourself grace. This is a time of change, and it's okay to feel different. Instead of fighting your emotions, try to understand them. Some days will be easier than others, and that's completely normal. Menopause mood swings can feel unpredictable, but they don't define who you are. With the right approach, you can regain emotional balance and feel more in control of your life again. You are not losing yourself. You are evolving. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to MenoCalm for more simple and practical menopause tips. And let me know in the comments, what emotional changes have you noticed the most? You're not alone in this journey.